Hi, everybody. My name is Miss Jennings. I am the theater teacher at Long County High School. I also teach American literature, and I am the coach for One Act Play and Literary Competition. So just to give you a little bit of information about myself, I grew up in Alpharetta, Georgia, just a little bit north of Atlanta. I went to Dalton State College, where I received my associate's degree in psychology, and North Georgia University, where I received my bachelor's degree in English with teaching certification. This is my 9th year teaching at Long County High School and my 6th year teaching theater. I absolutely love teaching theater, and I'm so excited to work with all of you. So let me tell you a little bit about the class. So what can you expect in an advanced theater class? This class builds on all of the skills that you learned in beginning theater. We'll still be working on building confidence in speaking and performance. We will still be doing many performance-based activities, watching plays and musicals, reading and analyzing plays, and working on technical theater, like creating props and set design. Some of you will be attending class in person, and some of you will be attending virtually, but we will all be performing. If you are doing virtual learning, you will be asked to send in recorded videos of performances on Google Classroom. So be sure to have a computer or other device that will allow you to record and send videos. If you are attending in person, you need to have a notebook with paper and something to write with in case something needs to be written down. Highlighters are recommended for highlighting your lines in a script, but they are not required. All assignments will be posted on Google Classroom for both in-person and virtual learners. As many of you know, theater is like a family, and I can't wait to have some new family members join and to see all of you again.